Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video run through tour of our 2015 Mercedes-Benz GLA 200 CDI Sport we have new in stock. I'm just going to run through the specification of this vehicle, just pointing out some of the main standout features. To begin with, on the exterior, you can see our example here comes with the Mercedes Sport alloy wheels painted in silver, and also the Mercedes Sport front and rear body styling. The vehicle comes with privacy glass for the rear windows as an extra optional feature, daytime running lights at the front, a full leather interior with heated front seats, a leather trimmed steering wheel with access to cruise control. You've got the panoramic glass sunroof above, climate control accessible from the centre console with some other infotainment controls. From the central screen, access to your radio functions, access to your Bluetooth connectivity, also the reversing camera. And lastly, as you can see, you've got plenty of boot space available in the rear with split folding rear seats. If you'd like to know any more information about this vehicle, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.